Yeah, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for us to add a roof rack, courtesy of Amazon. Let's go ahead and get this installed. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camperdan Files.
She's becoming Nana's comfort dog. Yeah, she is. I feel good that she has someone to keep the pumpkin good. Right, and I said that yesterday because Imani's like, oh, Mom, and I'm like, she's becoming your comfort dog.
What's in the box? Already I can see our wind fairing. We'll have to cut that out of there. Take our wind fairing out of the way. This should be pretty straightforward, guys. There's 3 sections to this. Let me go ahead and get everything out the box, and then we'll start building. So in this box, it looks like we have some hardware. Yep, these are gonna be the caps. Yep, all the mounting hardware is right here. And this is gonna be our cargo net. This was one of the things that I liked the most about this particular setup. It's the fact that it comes with a cargo net. So when you mount your gear in your roof basket, you can then further secure it with this guy. All right, guys, so one of the things that we need to do is get all these rubber boots off the ends of the basket here. Already taking these 4 off, and I need to flip this midsection around and take all those boots off and keep assembling. Yeah, this is gonna go together like really easy, guys. Hopefully you guys can see the action well there. We're gonna build this in sections. So we're gonna go ahead and also attend to the bottom. And then we'll get the last of it all at the same time. That way we don't run the risk of scratching it up. These we're gonna use to secure it to the rails there on the top of my luggage rack. And then these are the clips that'll hold the wind fairing if I decide to use it. It weighs 40 pounds. It'll be fine. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, this thing is literally gonna take up the whole luggage rack. And again, I'm still deciding on whether or not if I'm gonna run the wind fairing. Let's take a look at it from the front, see what it looks like. Ah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's get the U-bolts on. So we went ahead and took the wind fairing out of the bag here. I think what I'm gonna do is turn it backwards. I don't want the logo to show from the front of my R50. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it that way. Roof basket and wing fairing and all nicely installed. It looks like I'm gonna have a great deal of space up there too. Nice. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.